Hi guys, hope you are all doing good and cheers. Welcome to my show. Today I will show you how to make perfect delicious chicken drumstick fry. It is very easy to make and good in taste. Ingredients needed for this preparation: chicken drumsticks 6, curd 1 cup, turmeric 1/4 teaspoon, chili powder 1 teaspoon, garam masala 1/2 teaspoon, cumin powder 1/2 teaspoon, ginger garlic paste 1 teaspoon, lemon juice 1 teaspoon, salt to taste, oil. For garnishing: fresh coriander, cabbage, onion rings, tomato and cucumber slices. Preparation method: take a bowl, add curd, chili powder, cumin powder, add turmeric powder, garam masala, ginger garlic paste, salt and lemon juice. Mix it well. Add the drumsticks and mix it well, so that the mixture coated evenly. Marinate, cover it, and keep it for 3 hours in a refrigerator. Preheat the oven for 100 degrees Celsius for 15 minutes. Arrange the marinated chicken drumsticks in a tray and place it in the oven. After 10 minutes, take it out and flip the pieces and place it again. Grill it for another 15 minutes. Garnish it with fresh coriander, cabbage, onion rings, tomato, cucumber, and serve it hot. Try it and enjoy. Hope to see you all in my next show. Until then, take care. Have a great time.